Hey viewers, welcome to Uflyer. Today we are going to discuss another 10 words which will minimize the use of the word very and help you sound more like a native English speaker. For those who are new to the channel, click on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Let's start. Enough of boring English, stop using very. Episode 2. For those who had not watched episode 1, link is given in the description tab. Please watch episode 1 to know why these videos are of utmost importance to crack any English proficiency test you appear. Again, I will say the golden rule that you should always remember, express and make yourself sound like a native. So without any further delay, let's get started. Number 1. Very valuable. You can use precious or priceless. The museum is full of rare and precious treasures. Or, these antique paintings are priceless. Number 2. Very tasty. You can use delicious. For example, she cooks delicious meals for the homeless people. Number 3. Very creative. You can use innovative as a replacement. For instance, the city has introduced an innovative system to ease traffic. Number 4. Very rich. You can use wealthy as an alternative. For example, he grew up in a wealthy family. Number 5. Very tired. You can use exhausted. For example, the runners were exhausted after completing a full marathon. Number 6. Very colorful. You can use vibrant instead of very colorful. Like, the garden is full of vibrant flowers. Number 7. Very smart. Intelligent is a perfect replacement for very smart. For instance, the dolphin is an intelligent animal. Number 8. Very afraid. You can use terrified as an alternative for very afraid. Like, the victim was terrified to speak anything about the incident. Number 9. Very neat. You can use immaculate. For example, the immaculate state of the garden bears testament to a disciplined effort. Number 10. Very cute. You can use adorable instead of very cute. You can say, "Oh, what an adorable little baby." That is all in episode 2. Please write your own sentences by commenting down below. We will be ecstatic to get new sentences from your part. Let's recapitulate what we have learnt today. Very valuable. Precious or priceless. Very tasty. Delicious. Very creative. Innovative. Very rich. Wealthy. Very tired. Exhausted. Very colorful. Vibrant. Very smart. Intelligent. Very afraid. Terrified. Very neat. Immaculate. Very cute. Adorable. Hope you all liked the video. We will meet soon in episode 3 of this series. Please like, share, and subscribe our channel to get informative videos on all kinds of English proficiency tests. Thank you. Till then, learn and practice English. Practice makes you perfect.